Hi there, Sophia here. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm sharing all my favorites of what I have discovered this summer and what I'm using the most in beauty products and skincare, nail care, and some hair care as well. The first thing I want to start with is the nail care. This summer, I decided I'm not doing any more manicures because my manicures always peel off and I'm sticking only to press-on nails. And I have felt so liberated and so happy. I found the perfect glue. And that glue is by Glamnetic. I love this glue. Not only does it hold my nails in place, but it's brush on. And it is the easiest thing to do. You just brush your nail, brush the artificial nail, press it on, hold it for 30 seconds. That's it. I do it at night because I want my nails to be completely dry for all evening. Any moisture that seeps in will weaken the bond, I think. I think it's best to have as much time as you can for the glue to set. By the next morning, they are so well set. It's amazing. I can type with them. I have no problem with them. And when I want to take them off, I discovered this one. And I love this. I got it in a 2-pack because I figured I'm going to be wearing press-on nails from now on. I love the look of them. I love the convenience of them. And the fact that they never chip and they're just so pretty. This is by Dashing Diva. It's called Magic Off. It's super simple to use. When you're ready to take your nails off, you just take a drop of this at the cuticle, massage it in, and then take a cuticle stick and kind of start to pry it after a few seconds, and you will see that the nail comes off with no damage to your nail underneath. I love this so much. I highly recommend getting the 2-pack. But one will do because just a few drops, 10 drops, and you're done to get all of your nails off. The next thing I want to talk about is hair. I've been using this Living Proof Restore Repair Mask on my hair, but I don't use it the way they say to use it. They say use it in the shower after you shampoo your hair, put it in for 5 minutes. What I've been doing now is I dampen my hair a little bit before shampooing. I put it all over, and then I put my hair in a top knot, get on the treadmill for about an hour. Then when I'm ready to shampoo everything out, my hair is very highly conditioned. So I get into the shower and shampoo it all off and then add just a tiny bit of conditioner after the shampoo so that I don't have any knots, because I do have thick hair. It's fine strand and it knots easily. What I love about this is it's very thick, the consistency. So it just saturates beautifully and conditions my hair. I have dry ends because I do highlights. And it, with the sun and the weather, the heat and all that, the hair gets frayed. And what I want to do always is moisture, moisture, moisture. Add as much moisturizing as I can so that it doesn't frizz out. And what I also love about this is it's very easy to place it on my hair and have it stay there. It's not a slippery conditioner or mask. I start from about ear level down, just doing the lengths of it and working it in, and that's when I put it into a top knot. The other hair product I want to tell you about, this is the Sebastian Shaper Plus. I love this because it doesn't leave your hair crunchy. I have it all over my hair. I'm going to show you. It comes out in a very fine mist, but it adds body. It smells good as well. What I do now is when I curl my hair, I use hot curlers. Every time I bring a strand up, I'll just spray the roots with this and then put the hot curlers in, and it gives a really nice lift to the roots of the hair. So I highly recommend this one. The next thing I wanted to tell you about is some skincare. I have been using this. I'm almost finished with it, and I really do love what this does to my skin. It adds a tremendous radiance to it. It plumps it up. The important thing about this is you have to put it on when your skin is damp. This is not what I'm featuring today because I love this one now, and I'm halfway through it and already thinking I need to buy another tube of this because this is the Snail Mucin Plus Moisturizer in it. So you save a step, and it has a beautiful consistency. It still has that kind of sticky, gooey thing that goes on with Snail Mucin, but it feels so beautiful on the skin, and it really leaves your skin so nicely conditioned. I just press it into my face. Then I wait a little bit, and then I go in with my moisturizer if I want to have an exceptionally moisturized face at night. And otherwise, I skip the moisturizer. But this is a moisturizer I've been using when I want to have a heavier moisturizer, one that really creates quite a humectant feeling on your skin. I'm finished with this. This is a Tula 24/7 Moisture Intense. and it really is. I saved a little bit just to show you how thick it is. It feels incredible on your skin. This is so beautiful under makeup, under foundation, even under my sunscreen. I know they say, oh, your sunscreen is your skincare, but I always like extra moisturizing. Even in the summertime, my skin is dry. This is a beautiful product. I highly recommend this. Tula products are clean. They have beautiful ingredients. And this one I went through rather quickly because I liked it so much. I was putting it down my neck and on my chest as well. The next thing I wanted to tell you about is all the beautiful makeup I found. I absolutely love the Laura Mercier caviar sticks. I've tried the Bobbi Browns. I've tried the drugstore types. Nothing compares to these. These stay on. I did my eyes today with them, just these 3 colors. They are perfect for when I travel. This takes up such little space and they are so versatile. There are 3 colors in here. One is Dune and it is a matte. That's what I have all over my movable lid. I'll swatch it for you so you can see. Actually, this is the rose gold one because it has some shimmer to it. This went on top of Dune today. I put it right in the center, but this is the rose gold. And the next one is Dune, and it's kind of a peachy, matte peach color. It covers any imperfections on your lid. You don't even have to put an eyeshadow primer with these because they lock right onto your lids. They are so beautiful. I work with them very quickly. I just put it straight on with the crayon onto my eyes, exactly how I want it. Then I grab a brush. I've been using the Refer brush, and I quickly blend it all in. Once it's all blended in, with this one, I just go lightly under the eyes as well, just to kind of bring it all together, because the next thing that I go in with, and this is so beautiful, this is the burnished bronze. This is gorgeous, and it is so easy to work with. I slide this under my eyes, bring it up at the tip, and then just come in, and then go in with a brush and blend it all in. So it all blends in seamlessly. And what I love about this is that since it's not powder, it stays in place. I don't have to worry about the powder ending up over here. It stays exactly where you painted on like a crayon. It shears out, and you can also intensify it. I went back in with this one with the rose gold and added a little bit more to the center of my eyes. And I just love these for traveling. The other one that I own is called Cocoa, and I always put that right at the edge, right here and here, just to intensify the edges and lift it up a little bit at the corners for more of an almond eye effect. The other thing that I discovered, believe it or not, I'm not a fan of tubing mascara, but I had been seeing this all over TikTok. A Tarte was going crazy advertising the XL tubing, and I figured, all right, I gave in and I got it, and I'm glad I did. This is very easy to take off. My dread was I thought it would be messy, and I usually use the Lancome Definicils because I'm lazy and I like just washing it off, and it's so fast at night. I don't like struggling with mascara. I feel that it pulls off what little lashes I have, and believe me, I have short little lashes. I don't have great lashes. So this not only creates length, but it really thickens it with just one coat. It is truly amazing. But the trick to it, for me at least, is curl your lashes first. This is my favorite eyelash curler. It's by Refer. I absolutely love this. It is so gentle on your lashes, and yet the shape of it is so perfect because it fits all your lashes in. I crimp my lashes once with it, and then I go towards the tip and crimp it again quickly, and then it has a very nice curl to it, and I go in with this. Jiggle it around. This is what the brush looks like. It has an acrylic brush, but it is very easy to work with, and I love the little tip on it because I can get in and the lower lashes and grab every little lower lash in there. Love this, highly recommend it. The next thing is this e.l.f. primer. Oh my gosh, this is the best thing. I wish the tube were bigger. This is the Power Grip Primer, and it has niacinamide in it. It is amazing what it does for your skin. I don't wear this every day because every day when I go out, I wear a tinted sunscreen. But when I have something special, or when I'm filming, or we're going out to dinner, or if I have some all day, a lot of activities, and I really want my foundation to last, this is the trick. Not only does this make your pores look just flawless, but it really locks in your foundation. And here's a little tip. I put a tiny bit of it under my eyes before I do my under eye concealer, and it locks it in, It doesn't look cakey. It looks beautiful and it doesn't crease. And what I have paired with this is Lancome. I love this one. I bought this because of Angie Hot and Flashy. She raves about this. This is her go-to. Initially, when I had bought it, I didn't like it because I think it was the shade I had bought didn't work for me. It had too much pink in it. And this is the one that works perfectly for me. It has a beautiful doe foot on it. This has a tiny bit of yellow in it. I'm more of a neutral, but I pitch towards warm. This is what it looks like. It blends in beautifully. I just tap it in, and paired with this, it lasts and it looks beautiful and it does not collect into my wrinkles. So I'm really happy with this combo and wanted to let you know about it because I haven't seen anyone talk about this, but it works for me. Another product that I purchased, again, I had not used this for a while because I was using e.l.f. Halo one and I was using also the Charlotte Tilbury, and I had forgotten how beautiful this is. This went on sale on Prime Day and I grabbed a tube and I'm so happy I did, because now when I put on my sunscreen, which is more of a matte look, I put this on and it gives me such a radiant glow. I'm going to show you how beautiful this is and the way it shears out on the skin. And if you put too much, you're going to look like the Tin Man. So, just be moderate with this. But you can even just wear this directly on your skin with nothing else. Just a clear sunscreen and this, and it is so glowy and so gorgeous. And the other thing I wanted to tell you about are these blushes. I'm a huge fan of the Rare Beauty blushes. And this one I got over a year ago. It was part of a kit. This is the one called Joy. It's a bright coral color. It's very beautiful, but it has a ton of color pigment in it. And I was running low on it, but I wanted to try a new one. And I never understood why Selena Gomez did not make a tiny size travel one. Well, now she does. And I bought the color Happy, and I'm so happy I did. Here's what it looks like next to it. As you see, Joy is much more orange in shade, and that works well with my skin tone. But this one is more of a pinky coral, and it's just gorgeous, sheared out. I have it on today. I love it. It's so pretty on. I only put 3 tiny, tiny drops, and then I blended it in with this brush. I just tapped in 3 tiny little, and up high, and then ended up blending it in, and then wherever the sun hits, I put just a tiny bit. That's all I wore today because I wanted to show you the next blush, which I'm in love with, and I can't believe that I had not discovered these blushes before. I don't know why people don't talk about this make. It's called About Face. It's that singer Halsey. It's her brand. I've tried other products that I really love of hers. She has beautiful lip liners, great lipsticks, incredible eye products. She's got some duochrome liquid shadows that are gorgeous. I think I'll show in another video. But this one, this is called Quickie, the color. And I'm going to put it on today so you can see. This is a true orange. I'm going to put it on over Happy because it does blend beautifully with coral, and I have done that before. But I'm going to just show you the luminosity and just how easy it is to blend this. You just sweep it right on, and if you could see it close up, it gives such a beautiful glow to your skin. It's not patchy, and it's very easy to work with. It is a cream blush that turns to powder. And do the other side. I just do this, just wipe it across, bring it up. You can do it with your fingers as well, but I think this works so nicely. And as I said, sometimes I do right on the bridge, wherever the sun would hit. And then the other thing that I love so much, it's the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist. Stunning for your skin. It has so many good ingredients in here. The best thing of all is the mist is so fine. I put this on under makeup. I put it on over makeup. I bought 2. I have one at my desk. If I'm feeling a little bit tired and sluggish, I'll just grab this, mist my skin all over. It is such a fine mist. It's beautiful. It smells great. And it leaves my skin feeling really rejuvenated. And I know I'm doing something good for my skin. It's good over makeup and under makeup, or just on clean skin. Love this, highly recommend it. It's a Korean brand, and everything they make is beautiful. They also have a very nice lip mask, but this one is fun. I love the glass container as well. And the last thing I want to show you today is the lipstick that I'm wearing. I just purchased this and I haven't stopped wearing it. I've already gotten compliments on it. I love it so much. It's by Lancome. I've been a huge fan of Lancome all my life. From the 80s on, I always want to buy 1 or 2 lipsticks every season. They are pricey, but they're so worth it, and their colors are so classic and so flattering and just so old school. This one is not glossy, it's just very moisturizing. It has the most beautiful packaging, little rose on top. You push down and this is what it looks like. It's like a deep coral rust. I'm going to swatch it for you over here. That's the color. Same one I have on my lips. I didn't put a topper on today because I wanted you to see how it looks, but I have been putting a beautiful gold, kind of a shimmery gold topper over it. And so it's very pretty for daytime. It's very summery, but I think in the winter this is going to be stunning as well because I'm seeing a lot of brown and rust and burgundy come in, and this pairs well with all those colors. So I highly recommend this one as well. And that's it for all my beauty and hair and skin and all the products I wanted to share with you today. Let me know what you liked in this, and let me know if you have any recommendations you'd like me to try. Thank you so much for watching the video and staying with me till the end. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.